Want to change the drive letter and drive name in Windows 11? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to easily customize your drive settings for better organization and convenience. Let's dive in. Press the Win plus I keys together on your keyboard to open the Settings app. In the Settings window, select System on the left side of the pane. Next, select Storage on the right side of the pane. In the Storage screen, under the Storage Management section, scroll down and click to expand Advanced Storage Settings. Now, click on Disks and Volumes from the list. In the Disks and Volumes screen, select the disk you want to rename or for which you want to change the drive letter. Click on Properties. In the next screen, under the Volume Data section, click on Change Label to change the drive name. In the Change Volume Label prompt, type the desired name and press Apply to save the changes. Now, change the drive letter, click on Change Drive Letter. In the Change Drive Letter prompt, under the Choose which drive letter to use for this volume field, select the desired letter and press OK to save the changes. You have now successfully changed the drive letter and the drive name in your Windows 11 PC. Press the Win plus R keys together on your keyboard to open the Run command window. In the Run command search field, type diskmgmt.msc and hit Enter. This will open the disk management window. Here, go to the drives below, select one, for example, E drive, right-click on it and select Change Drive Letter and Paths. In the Change Drive Letter and Paths dialog box, and click on Change. In the Change Drive Letter or Path dialog box, select the letter from the drop-down next to assign the following drive letter option. Press OK to save the changes. Again, press OK to save the changes, and the drive letter has been changed successfully. Now back in the Disk Management window, right-click on the desired drive and click on Properties. In the Drive Properties window, under the General tab, type the desired name for the drive in the field where you see New Volume. For instance, we named it as USB drive. You can name it anything as per your requirement. Press Apply and then OK to apply the changes. Exit the Disk Management window. You have now successfully changed the drive name in your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.